Hey everybody, good morning. It's Monday morning, April 27th, and I want to give you a little overview of this next chapter, some explanations, some feedback from the survey that many of you took. I think about 20 some of you took, so maybe a quarter of you only took it, but I'll go off of that. Um, I'm going to spread this chapter out a little further, a little longer. Um, the tentative date for the test is a week from this Thursday. So that's what, 9, 10 days from now, something like that, 10, 11 days from now. Um, the challenge for me is going to be in chapter 35, it is really a lab oriented chapter. If we were in session, we're in lab almost every day. And the challenge is going to be to how to best convey the information that you would gather in lab um, when we're not in presence of each other in person and can do labs. So I've come up with a couple of ideas. Hopefully they work well. The one thing that I think you're going to appreciate is I'm going to go much slower. Today is just an intro reading, intro a little bit of a worksheet, intro a little bit of a program called a concept builder. But I'm only having you do a portion of each of those, and we're going to eventually build and get through all of that, but not all at once. So the homework assignment has been shortened. The worksheet assignment, instead of assigning worksheet 35-1, I'm assigning 35-1 only page number 1. This concept builder, there's 3 different types of circuits on the concept builder, but we're only doing the series circuit. So that's my attempt anyways to slow things down a little bit. I've introduced this discussion board on the top of the page under distance learning, and I really want to use that. We're going to try to use that in place of the office hours, since office hours you weren't really using them anyways. I'm available anytime, but use the discussion board. I'll be monitoring that regularly, and I'll chime in. You can chime in on if someone found an answer to something. How do you open this? How do you do this? But we're going to try that and see how that works, and we'll go through it slowly. Kind of the master idea plan right now is we're going to spend 2 days on the first type of circuit, which is called a series circuit. So that'll be today and tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll follow up with a video, a content video with solving some problems and things like that. Wednesday and Thursday we'll tackle the next type of circuit called a parallel circuit. And again, we'll introduce it slowly on Wednesday. I'll follow up with a video and some solving problems or whatever on Thursday. We don't have class Friday. I'll give you a little homework assignment for the weekend, so you're not, it's like you normally would. You'd have homework over the weekend. So you have a little bit of homework over the weekend. And then on Tuesday or Monday you have off. Then Tuesday we'll try to do with some what happens when you combine series and parallel circuits together. And then Wednesday will be a work day, processing day, and then Thursday would be the test. So that's kind of the hope how things will work. The only thing that needs explanation today, I think, is this concept builder. It's a new It's not a new curriculum. It's new to us, but it's called Physics in the Classroom. And they have these concept builders. They're little interactive Quizlets kind of thing. You need to, when you open it, what I have the linked to, you have to open, it says launch concept builder or launch builder or something to that effect. So you enter that, you have to type your name in. In theory, I can track your progress, and I'm not planning on doing that, but then you can go ahead and just do the series portion, run through the whole series portion, and then on Wednesday, I'm going to assign the parallel portion and things like that. So if you would go through the first page of the worksheet, there's a lecture notes. There's like 7 pages of lecture notes. If you would copy down pages 1, 2, and 3, that covers the series circuits. And then it's not going to make a lot of sense to you. It will make more sense if you do the reading, literally do the reading. And because those notes are basically derived from the reading. and then I will follow up with explanation of those tomorrow. But just want to get your feet wet a little bit today in that. Okay? Please use the discussion board. I really stress that. I want to know what you're thinking. I don't want people to be frustrated and have to wait till tomorrow to explain something or whatever. So the more you use that, I think the easier things will go. Overall, I had pretty good feedback on the survey. So I'll go with that, but I'll tweak things a little bit to try to accommodate the concerns that a larger percentage of people had. Okay. So I think that's it for now. I will be back with you in person tomorrow morning. All right. Take care.